Hi everyone, I'm Lieutenant Tom Letras. I'm here to tell you about an exciting open house event that we are going to be having here at the Sheriff's Department at 250 East Hackett Road in Modesto. On Saturday, October 14th, from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m., we are going to have all of our specialty vehicles on scene. We're going to have our armored vehicles, our helicopter, our mobile command post, and you can bring your family out, and there's plenty of stuff for the kids. Now, this event is free of charge. For the kids, we're going to have Barry and Bella, our mascots. We're going to have our ID techs doing a fingerprint station for the kids. There's the PAL Bounce House is going to be out here. So there's going to be a ton of things going on. We have demonstrations going on by our SWAT team, our air support unit, as well as our canines will be doing a demonstration out here. So please come out here. This is free to the public. It's again at 250 East Hackett Road in Modesto on Saturday, October 14th from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. We hope to see you here.